What do you think I'm having?
I'm gonna have a girl.
Okay. Katie.
Boy.
Boy.
It's gonna be a boy.
Yeah. Auntie Annabelle, what do you think I'm having?
Boy.
Okay. We shall see. What do you think I'm having, Carlo? Oh my god. What the hell was that? What do you think I'm having, a boy or girl?
I'm having a girl.
Okay. Okay, educator, what do you think I'm having?
Team boy.
Yeah. I have a question for you. What am I having, a boy or a girl?
There's no padding or anything.
I'm wishing a boy.
Oh.
It's just...
I'm wishing a boy.
Again?
Oh, wait, so you're wishing a boy but you think it's a girl?
I'm wishing a boy, but yeah.
Wow.
Okay, what are we having, Terry, boy or girl?
I didn't even know you're pregnant. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
You'll be cute like your other daughter. It's got to be another girl.
Another girl. Okay, wait. What are we having, a boy or a girl?
Look, man, let me see your face.
Oh, what?
It's a girl.
A girl. Okay. Kaylee thinks girl. What do you think we're having? A boy. Is it a boy? Yeah, or a girl? Girl. She wants girl. Okay, what am I having?
I think it's a girl.
Kaylee, is it a girl?
Is it a girl?
What am I having?
Oh, no. I think it's a girl.
A girl. Okay, girl and girl. And Kaylee thinks, what's in mommy's tummy?
Ugly. You think ugly?
Ah! Say, Lola, what's in mommy's tummy? Ooh.
Mommy is having a B-O-Y boy. Is it?
Is it a boy?
Huh, baby? Is it
Ask Lola. Lola, what do you think is inside mommy's tummy?
Is having
A daddy? A daddy?
a boy?
a boy? No. Mommy is having another cake.
That's what Mama said too. See, Lola's like you. Remember you said girl? No? She's just copying. Go. What are we having, Tita?
Oh, you will have a baby girl. So the little Kaylee will have a baby sister.
Baby girl?
Yay!
Tita Noemi, what am I having?
May see the
Oh. You want to see? Oh my gosh.
oh girl.
Okay, it's a girl. Is it a girl? Okay, Mom, what am I having? Boy or girl?
A baby.
It is a baby. So Mom always gets them right. Well, except she got Kaylee wrong. Okay, so what is it? So what is it? A girl. Okay, Dad, can you ask Dad? Dad, what am
having?
Is it a boy or a girl?
The tummy.
Is
A
it-
boy or a girl?
Wait.
Head.
A head. I'm having a head. Is it a girl or a boy? What's in my tummy, girl or boy?
Huh?
A bell, a belly. A baby. Yeah, you're right, Dad. It's a baby.
What do you want? A boy or a girl?
Baby boy or... Oh, baby boy. Okay. Wait, what am I having, Pam? Just pick one.
Wait, I think it's gonna be a boy. I think it's gonna be a girl.
Okay. Which one?
Honestly,
Come on. Just pick one.
boy. I hope it's a boy. I'm hoping it's a boy.
Okay.
Or it's probably-
Okay, what am I having?
I'm having a boy.
Do you think boy too?
Yeah.
Boy? Girl? Boy.
Baby boy.
What? What is it?
Brother.
It's a fish. What am I having?
A boy.
I reckon a girl.
Hello, Dad. Uncle Dado, what is it?
It'll be a girl
Yeah?
based on your historical family.
Hello, Daddy.
Girl? Is it a baby girl? Huh?
I believe Kaylee, so I think it's a girl. Girl, okay?
You're having a girl. Diana is a girl's name.
So, Josie, what do you think I'm having?
I think you're having a girl. Only because it's gonna be like you, me, and Ate, where it's gonna be a girl, and then a boy.
Is it a girl? Kaylee, is it a girl? Yeah, she thinks it's a girl too.
Hey guys, I'm voting that Kayla's having a girl.
It's a
Girl.
It's a what is it, Kai?
It's a monster.
It's a monster. Princess, is it a boy or girl? What's Auntie Kayla's baby gonna be, boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy! I think it's girl. It's a girl. Boy? Girl? Boy? Girl or boy? Okay, there you have it, boy!
We think you guys are having a
Girl.
I think Kayla's gonna have a boy and then he's gonna be the ring bearer and they're gonna get married.
I think she's gonna have a baby Caden.
It's a boy. It's a boy.
I think he's gonna have a boy. He's gonna have a boy.
You think so? A girl or a boy?
Boy?
Is it a boy or a girl? I think you are having a girl. A girl. Congratulations. Is it a boy or a girl?
It's gonna be a baby. Another girl.
Really?
Because the other babies were boys, so it's gonna be a girl.
I'll stick to my original guess. It's a boy, finally a Caden.
I think it's a girl.
Nah, it's gonna be a boy. Girls have cooties. Ew.
Girls for the win.
It's a boy.
Yeah.
What am I having, Rain?
You are having a girl. Yep. Please.
Pa, what am I having? What am I having?
Boy.
Are you sure?
99.99%.
You still. Why not 100 then?
Hey Lorena, what do you think Kayla and Irv are having? I think they're having a girl. Wait, no, a boy.
Hi Kay, thanks for including us to your vlog. Our guess is, well first my guess is you're having a boy. Aiden, what's your guess?
Boy.
And Daddy?
A girl.
A girl. And Ollie,
Ollie said a girl too.
Girl? Okay, so with this four of us, boy, boy, girl, girl.
Alright, so before it disappears, here is the poll we put up on my Instagram of whether people think it's a boy or a girl. Okay, let's see. So here is the results before it disappears. 19 votes for boys and 8 for girls.
Oh, we're gonna clean it. We're gonna clean
So let's see.
Look in the box.
So these guys said boy. And for girl. Oh, that was by mistake. I accidentally pressed it. I wasn't meant to vote. And so we put up the same post on Facebook just to get whoever doesn't have Instagram some of their views. Let's have a look and see. Boy, girl, boy, girl, girl, boy, girl, girl, boy, boy, boy. Boy, boy. So it's still mixed. It's coming. Okay, this was the Chinese calendar, Chinese gender predictor we used with Kaylee, and it got it right, saying she was a girl. Now let's try again for the next baby. So my date of birth, March 22, 1990. Should we do we'll do expected due date first. 17.
Mate, 2018.
Oh, baby brain. Okay. 8.
Show me the baby gender.
Alright, so according to this,
prediction of baby gender is girl. The Chinese zodiac is year of the dog.
Lunar date when baby conceived, 11th lunar month, 29th lunar day. Mother's lunar age at conception, 28. Alright, so that's one side. Let's try another one.
Okay, this is the baby center site. So this one, it's not as specific, it just asks, how old were you when you conceived? I was 27. When did you conceive? Yes, January. Oh, January. Still says girl. Alright, one more Chinese calendar one. Okay. Mother's birth. Yeah, that's what I meant. That's the word. 13. Maybe let's do 11. It still says girl. Okay, so the Chinese stars are saying we're having a girl.
Three, two, 1, go! I knew it was gonna be a boy!
Louder, look at mommy. Say it's a boy. It's a
boy.
It's a
boy.
Guys, once again, it's a... Oh,
okay,
she's doing a poo.
Wait, okay, but first you have to say it's a...
She's doing poo poo. Let's not disturb her. Alright guys, thanks again for watching.
We're having a boy.
So it can be 3 going to 4.
See my
5,
excitement?
4. And then maybe a 5, maybe 6,
What?
7, 8,
What
9,
are you on
10.
about?
I don't know. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Thanks again for watching guys.
Maybe
Remember, subscribe, keep up to date, and we'll see you at our next video. Bye bye.